Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting their LG LP1017WSR air conditioner after clearing the FL code? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug air conditioner. Unplug the air conditioner as soon as the FL code appears on the display. Step 2. Drain collection tank. Drain the water collection tank completely to ensure it is not full. Step 3. Plug back in. Plug the air conditioner back in after draining the tank. Step 4. Wait to restart. Wait for the air conditioner to restart in cool mode with a temperature setting of 75 FA, 24 C. Step 5. Check drain ports. Ensure the upper drain port is not used in cool or fan mode, but remove the drain plug in dry mode. Step 6. Install drain hose A. Install a drain hose and place the open end over a drain, bucket, or out the window for continuous drainage if needed. By following these steps, your LG LP1017WSR air conditioner should work perfectly after resetting. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.